Welcome to the Tractor Den. Today we're going to discuss the outrigger landing pads available for the BT603 Swift Connect Backhoe. There are plenty of aftermarket options available, but today we're going to discuss the OEM options. These are the factory installed pads right here. They're great for dirt and gravel. However, do not use these on concrete, stone, or brick. You might release more fury from the tractor gods than you might know. Kubota has released the BX9468 rubber stabilizer flip pads for these situations. The BX9468 rubber stabilizer flip pads replace the standard flip pads so that you do not damage the concrete, stone, or brick. Let's take a closer look. Here we have the Kubota BX9468 rubber stabilizer flip pad. It's a pretty simple design. We have a angle iron weldment, 2 rubber stabilizer pad assemblies, and 4 nuts. These rubber stabilizer pad assemblies consist of a piece of C-channel, some rubber pads, 2 mounting bolts, and there are 2 carriage bolts that pass through the C-channel and are welded on the opposite side. These hold the rubberized pads in place. To remove the OEM stabilizer pads, you will need a pair of snap ring pliers. Simply remove the snap ring and push the pin out the other side. Go ahead and remove the stabilizer pad. We have encountered an issue. This pin won't fit the hole. I'm going to try to fix this using a Dremel tool and a sanding disc. I am not trying to remove stock here, only the paint and enough stock that is needed for the pin to fit freely. Like a glove. Now we take the rubber stabilizer flip pad and install it where the OEM pad was originally. Once the rubber stabilizer pad is in place, reinsert the pin. Go ahead and reinstall the snap ring. Make sure it's fully seated all the way around. And your new rubber stabilizer pad is ready to go. Now we need to do the other side. Let me get it put back together and get it installed. Now it's ready to install. I have some minor interference here. I'll fix this on a later video. With the rubber stabilizer pads installed, now's the perfect opportunity to go ahead and grease the entire BT603 Swift Connect backhoe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.